This is a deeper dive into Chase Mobile Deposit, script number 2, focusing on limits and pro tips for smooth sailing. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Every Chase customer has mobile deposit limits, a per check limit and a rolling 30-day limit. You can find your specific limits in the app when you go to the deposit screen or in your account agreements. To ensure your deposit isn't rejected, endorse correctly, take clear, flat photos with all 4 corners of the check visible, and ensure the check amount entered matches the photo. My crucial pro tip: deposit checks as soon as you receive them. Don't let them pile up. Depositing checks promptly keeps you well under your 30-day rolling limit and ensures funds are available faster. Also, hold on to the physical check in a safe place for 30 days after deposit, then destroy it. Master the details to make mobile deposit a flawless experience. Have you ever hit a mobile deposit limit? What did you do? For more guides on banking details, hit subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you next time.